Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Thermaltake Tough Power Grand Series power supply RGB 750 watt SMPS. It is 80% gold certified with 10 years warranty and 100% Japanese capacitor, fully modular with flat cables inside. It's 15,180 written on the MRP on it, but you can get easily around 10 to 11,000 on Amazon, and if you go to the offline market you can easily get it around 9 to 10,000 approx. So let's get started for the unboxing. The box look pretty awesome. Inside you can get the RGB features. In the back you can get the output voltage and also 80+ gold certification efficiency and ultra quiet smart zero fan. That's it. So let's start unboxing. So the box looks pretty awesome. It's look premium. Oh, you can find some product manual and warranty stuff document on it. This comes with a pouch pack with Velcro. Good material with fully loaded of flat cable, modular flat cables, and some foam sheet on it to protect the main PSU. And here comes the main PSU. It's pretty heavy in weight with the premium Thermaltake cover in it. Oh, this look pretty nice. RGB 750 watt, 80+ gold rating on it. Tough Power Grand Series. It's a huge fan on it. Customizable 80x 24 pin, 4+4 CPU pin header with RGB lighting button and smart zero fan switch. It's made out of high quality aluminum, I think. Looking good. Let's see how it performs. Now leave it and see the other stuff. Oh, a silica gel to protect black color flat cable, good quality. These SATA headers and one AC connector with some zip locks and some screws on it. Oh, have more SATA connectors, CPU connectors, and PCIe connectors with red heads for the graphics card. That's it for now. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Please do subscribe, like and share. If you want to buy the product, link in the description box below to help the channel. Thank you.